Hey, check this out. This is no place for uglies like you.
Ouch! Oof, careful, that hurts. Oh my, what is that?
Hello, world. How do you do, pretties?
Wow, hey, you look amazing.
Yes, I know.
She's so amazing.
Oh.
I just wanted to give you this. I've collected them specially for you.
Gosh, you have no taste at all. Oops, sorry.
Are you okay? Please, let me help you.
Did you see that? She's helping him. Girls, we have a match here. Yeah, we have.
We have indeed.
Why do you always do this? Gosh, you're so
Oh
mean.
boy.
You're all so cruel. Why do you do this to me? This is so unfair. I didn't choose to be like this. So why you all treat me like that?
But crying won't help here.
Oh my goodness. My skin is a total mess.
The mirror never lies.
Wait, what?
Ugh, I cannot stand it anymore.
Even reflection ran away from me. But what is that? Interesting. Let me take a look. How to become a beautiful mermaid. Wow! First, I need to clear my skin. Okay, I think I needed to do it a long time ago. Ouch! No, I have to find another way. Oh, hey! Hey, gorgeous. Can you help me? Please, help me get rid of these pimples.
Of course, sweetie, of course. We'll all help you. Just put us on your skin and let us do the job. Almost done.
That's really unusual. Sorry.
Done.
I can't! Wait a minute. My skin! I can't believe it! Let me take a look. Wow, that fast? But my hair... Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a disaster. I'll never fix this mess. It's impossible. Oh dear.
Is this one occupied? Oops, sorry. I just wanted to grab some toilet paper. Well, I guess you needed more.
Thank you. Oh, it's really tasty, but ew, what's that weird thing? How's this thing happen to be here? Wait, what's inside? Let me wash it all then. There must be more of it, I'm sure. You're ugly? It's her again! Ugh, she's so annoying!
Oh, looks like she's got our message. Well done, girls. Let's go. Oh, and I have another idea.
Hey, what's going on there?
Crying
What's
like
up, girls?
a baby. It's that weirdo sitting there crying her eyes
No way.
out. We
Did
just
you-
pranked her. Hey, where is he? Where did he go? Shut up. He must have come to her. I bet he did. What's wrong with her?
So what's next? Yeah, that perfect smile! Great! Let's see what we can do here. Gosh, it's scary to even look at it! Huh?
Why me? Why today?
Oh my goodness, what happened to you, sweetie?
Let's do the test. I got an F. See? This is unfair.
Oh, poor thing. Please, don't cry. I'm sure we can fix this. So, what can we do here? Let me think. I think it's easy. Let's turn this into A, then add a plus, and circle it. It looks pretty authentic. As if you really got an A+. Take a look.
Really? Wow, it is amazing. Thank you so
You
much.
see? There was nothing to cry about.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
But what's wrong with your teeth? Ew.
What?
I know what can help you here. Come on, my little one. Squeeze and go. Very good. Now open your mouth. Just like that. Nice. And now let's rinse it all. Come on, don't be afraid.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax, it's done.
Feels so clean. Wow, awesome.
Now it looks perfect. And you? Do you like it too, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button below. Thank you. Now I must go. Thanks for your help.
Bye, dear. Thank you, too. Amazing. Just a few more touches and it's done. Perfect.
So how is our little ugly doing? Let me take a look. Oh, she's been quite busy here. If she continues this way, we won't recognize her in just a few hours. I guess we need to help her a bit here. To help her amazing transformation. This will do it.
Finally. Wow! Ouch!
Oops. Yes, gotcha.
Wait a minute. Who spilled all this? Huh? Pearls? They look so shiny. Oh, I know what to do with this. We'll use everything. Everything will come in handy. One by one, one by one. It's all about patience. So wonderful. Check this out. Isn't it wonderful? I've never had anything like that before. Oh, right. We need to take off the old necklace first. Yeah, now the new one? Cool, isn't it? It looks so fabulous.
I can't believe it. She's really getting out of every situation. Fine, you win this round. But this battle isn't over yet.
Ooh, hello, beautiful. Hello, a date with you? Sure. La 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 la, ooh.
And he was just standing there, watching.
This isn't like him.
Please don't notice me. Please don't look.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey, where was it?
I'm sure you two will be just fine.
Oh, you dropped something. Oh, so embarrassing. It must be yours.
Thank you. Oh, such a pretty necklace. Where did you get it?
I've made it myself and... Ouch!
Get your paws off me!
Whoa, so rude.
I didn't know I got my bag.
Well. This outfit is so geeky.
I'm sorry. I'm so clumsy. That's my makeup.
Let us help you then.
Oh, yeah?
Sit here and take off these nasty glasses. You don't need them. Don't worry, we'll give them to you back. Now close your eyes. Good. And nice rosy cheeks.
And this. Well, beauty demands scarf faces, dear.
Now add some sparkling and pearls.
And don't forget about the lips.
Amazing. You are so beautiful. Come on, take a look in the mirror.
Wow, unbelievable. I've never looked this beautiful ever in my life. Wow. Girls, you're my saviors. I don't even know how to thank you. Take these flowers from all my
Oh,
heart.
thank you.
They are really beautiful.
I think we've done a great job here. Let's go.
That girl is doomed to... Hey, what? Where have you been? Wait a minute. And these flowers, where did you get them? I see.
See you then.
Bye. This is just unbearable. They have switched to the ugly side. They have betrayed me.
Cool. They finally noticed me and it helped. Wow. But my hair. What about my hair? Oh, come on. Whew. Finally. Oh my gosh. What a mess. It's so itchy. Wait, bugs? I can't believe it. I should have washed it all before going to school. Why didn't I do it? Quick, the more for the better. So gross. We need to get rid of these creepy things as fast as possible. I hope it will really help. I'm ready to try anything right now. And water. Of course, we need to wash it all off. Whew. One thing is done. And what is it in here? I think we can use this too for the waviest hair ever. Attach it very carefully and then wait a bit. I hope the results will be splendid. I've done my best. Wow, I've made it. I've made it. But this outfit, I cannot walk like this anymore. Bye-bye, dear. You were very comfy, but I need to change. I'm sure something is missing here. Oh, right. The crown. Now I'm ready.
Hello, handsome. How about you and me going somewhere?
Maybe next time.
No. Please don't go.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. It's her. Holy mermaid. How did she do it? Jewelry? Cool outfit? Is it really her? Makeup, hair, dress, and the crown. Wow. And the purse.
Come on, don't be shy.
Sorry.
All right. Take a deep breath and...
Marry me, get off. Don't bother me.
Just look. Over there.
Look. Oh, see? It's her.
Really? Wow.
Will you go out with me?
What?
Yeah, sure.
But I can't believe it. It's all you. You did this.
Come on, let's get out of here.
But guys, I just... Oh no. Hey, what's that?
Yeah, I think that's all of it. I have stuff to do anyway. Until next time. Why isn't it flushing? Hello? Ugh, come on! Why won't you just go down? Huh? Whoa! Where am I? Am I underwater? And are these scales? Whoa! And I have fins, too! They're so beautiful! I can't believe it! It really is peaceful down here. Just look at all this cool stuff! Whoa! What's that? So cool! What are you looking at?
Hey!
Hey, is that moving?
Huh? Hey!
Ah!
Hello!
Help!
Don't be crabby!
Really?
Nah, I'm just your friend.
Okay, I guess. Hello then. So I guess I'm a mermaid, right?
Well, you're almost there. Here you go.
Oh. My acne is out of control.
No problem. I got you covered. Are you ready for some magic?
I love magic. I'm in.
Alrighty. Let me think. Your T-zone could use some work. And those glasses. Smile? Oh, I know. Just stay very still. Stupid claws. No dexterity. Now what do I do?
Don't worry, I got you. My fingers can do the work. Got it.
Whoa. Let's do it.
I ain't done yet. Got it.
Yeah, keep them coming.
Does my skin look better now?
More than that.
Wow.
It's for you.
So pretty. Do I,
For around your neck.
like this? So pretty. Good idea.
Don't mention it. I've had enough of this guy. Say hello to Ducky.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Oh.
What is it?
Your hair. Time for a change.
What's wrong with my braids?
It's just not mermaid-like. But we can fix that. Here it comes.
Whoa! Cute?
Underwhelming. Let's try again.
This doesn't feel right. Can you change it?
Say no more. Oops. Forget this. I'm going in.
Easy, they're attached, you know.
Ta-da!
And?
Yeah, I think this is it.
I love all the fun colors. And so much glitter. Thanks! I love it!
Sure, but I need one more thing. A trim? Nah. Ooh, yes! The answer to our hair brairs. Just takes a little technique. It's looking better already. You can't even tell it's a sock. Alright, a job well done.
Really? It doesn't feel very mermaid-like.
Just wait. It'll be worth it.
Okay. Yeah. I'm a little mermaid. Ooh.
Take this as a token of our friendship.
Be one with the waves. Woohoo! I'm a mermaid. Uh-huh.
These dance moves are sick. But it's time to let that hair down.
Okay.
Just take those socks off.
I'm kinda nervous. Whoa! So many curls! Yep, totally worth the wait.
You're almost a mermaid now. Now, did we miss anything here? We covered the hair. But those glasses… I know. May I?
Hey, I need those! I can't see a thing now!
Just hang tight. I got you. You'll see everything clearer now. Aww.
Wow, this feels wonderful! I don't even miss my lenses. Thank you!
Wow, I just have one more thing. It's for you.
Really? Wow, it's beautiful! Thank you so much! What's inside? Are these bejeweled earpieces? I hope they fit! Perfection!
You're a real mermaid now.
Really? Thanks so much!
Ocean love.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy swimming.
Bye now! Woohoo!
I'm gonna miss that girl.
Ever wish you could become a mermaid? What would you wear? Let us know and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel.